Today I'm going to Naya Airport for my journey. So yes, good morning everyone. Now it's 6:24 in the morning, and yes, we are here near the Naya Airport. He's coming with me actually to see off me. Was not as such tasty, so I was just having this meal. I don't know why, because 6:25 was the time I just left my home, so this was the only option for me. So I just done my lunch, and look at this. So it is like some semolina, or this is pasta, which is like not much tasty, and some gravy. And especially we Indians are fond of like very salty and spicy food, so this food was like very neutral in taste, not much salty, not spicy. So yeah, overall it was not as good what I was actually expecting. Back during for the flight meal is actually they actually give you the very average taste of the meal. Yes, I arrived to the Changi Airport. This is literally very huge airport, and yes, first I think I should go to the washroom. Wow, look at the washroom. This is amazing. The portion. All the securities are done, and now I'm going to immigration counter because I have to exit from the airport because I want to visit this beautiful Singapore country. I'm going to immigration department. Let's see. This is Changi Airport, and this is what I expected, guys. Literally, it's very huge, and right now I have experience. Until I have experienced the beautiful washroom experience, and the washroom was amazing, guys. It was amazing experience I have gained today. It was very beautiful actually. So I'm just hoping that I can get more extra things to experience here in Changi. So as you are well aware that it's very huge airport, and it's a world top airport. So right now I'm at the Terminal 1. So first I have to go towards the immigration counter because I want to exit. I want to visit the country, like some of the like very popular spots, Bay of Marine or like Marine Park. So I decided to exit. So before that I'm going to immigration counter. So my SJ arrival is done. It has to be done before 24 hours. So it is I have just submitted SG arrival form, and yes, I'm going towards the immigration counter. And yes, it's very large um, actually airport. So it approx took me 20 minutes to reach there. T1 arrival and immigration counter.
Just behind me, this is immigration, and can you believe the immigration was very smooth, guys? I mean, within a second, just immigration was clear. My immigration was clear within a second. This is a world famous, world top airport. Look at this, a Merlion. So yes, I'm going to visit this Merlion within a few hours, guys. So yes, it was very smooth. I was totally surprised. I mean, in India, I just need to take a part of a long queue, and then it took almost, not only in India, in almost Asian country, I have seen that I have to be a part of long queue, and then I mean, immigration is clear, but here within a second I just got my immigration clear. So actually, guys, I don't need to collect my baggage here, because I will collect my baggage, check-in bag from Nadi. So this is the best part, because I was not aware about this. I was thinking that I just need to collect the baggage from here, and then I will store the luggage in the airport for a city tour, because I can't take this check-in, this heavy luggage with me for a city tour. So what happened, guys, on collecting a boarding pass, their staff told me that I just need to collect my luggage from Nadi airport. So I was very happy at that moment that I just don't need to carry these huge luggage. Right now I have two bags. This is the side bag, and this is like P2 bag. I have only two bags, so I'm going to keep all this document inside my bag. So let's see. I mean, look at the airport, guys. This is amazing. There's no crowd, and the silence, it's too much silence here in the airport. And if I talk about the technology, the airport is full of technology. As you can imagine, the immigration was done within a few seconds.
So as you know, guys, I'm going to Nadi airport. So before collecting my boarding pass, I was in dilemma that I have to collect my check-in bag from SG airport, and then I will recollect this bag for the city tour. But you know, surprisingly, that I don't need to collect my check-in bag from SG, so it will collect in the Nadi airport. So I was very happy. So now this is the arrival area, and these are the like check-in luggage belt. Here you have to collect all your check-in luggage. So I'm going to exit from T1, and you know, Joel is actually in front of the T1 exit. So it took approx 10 minutes to exit from T1 and to reach to the Joel area. And moving ahead, you can find here money exchange counters. If you are eager to exchange your currency, you find the counter here. So yes, this is the exit arrival, guys. I am at SG arrival at T1. So look at this jewel. The best thing of Changi Airport is you can find a number of signboard here, so you don't need to be move here and there. Just follow the instructions in the signboard. And yes, this Changi Airport is actually the technology oriented, so you can find here a number of tools, technology to make your task easy and very promptly. So guys, I told you that this is my city tour, so I have to exit from SG airport. So right now I'm at the T1, and I will take a city tour via MRT. So to ride via MRT, I have to exit from T1. So the only way to go from T1 to T2 is the Skytrain. So I am going to ride a Skytrain.
So I just visited the Jewel Airport, huge, very beautiful fountain, and it was amazing experience, guys. So this is my first solo trip, first solo international trip, and seriously, it's amazing experience for me. This is a wonderful and lifetime memory for me actually.
So if you are willing to go T2 or T3 from T1, so this is the same way. You just need to ride Skytrain to reach T2 or T3.
I'm in search of Skytrain to T3, but here I can see that Skytrain to TT is available in the signboard. So how can I find a Skytrain to T3? Oh my god, I think I just need to move to another direction if I need to go towards T3. This is the same thing you see in social media, and here I am witnessing this beautiful showpiece here at the Changi Airport. Sky, yes, I think I'm going towards the right direction. Yeah, here I can find the Skytrain to T3. So this is going to be amazing experience via Skytrain. I'll show you some beautiful glimpse here, because you know Skytrain is ultimately very amazing experience for the tourists, and if you are the first time visitor at the Changi, yes, I'm at the right location. I'm heading towards the Skytrain to T3. Skytrain to T3. I'm here heading towards the Skytrain to T3. Okay guys, it's still 1:50 and I reached to this Skytrain because I was thinking that by 2, look at this. This is the Skytrain.
And guys, this is not a T2 or T3. This is a way towards T3. So you have to ride Skytrain to reach to T3. And this is the same way if you are heading towards the T2 also. You have to take a ride of Skytrain if you are heading towards the T2 also. They are just parallel to each other. Skyway to T3 and Skyway to T2.
reached to the Skytrain. Oh my god.
In this video you can see the two-way of Skytrain to T2 and T3 is parallel.
So guys, I'm too tired now, so I'm just sitting here for take a long break. So I just reached to the T3 terminal via Skytrain. I'm going to drink some water here because how far you think that you will load a list, but yes, it's not in your control how much stuff you put.
So I'm going to take exit from the T3 to look at the signboard. So I have to take a ride the another MRT for city. Let's tune for part 2.